Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm bringing you guys a quick tutorial on how I simply put my logo on my Cricut, just like this. This is really easy to make and something that can really stand out for all your videos. And if you guys are ready, let's get started. And so I was looking at this Teckwrap vinyl, and on top of being really beautiful, it's holographic, so it has all these colors. While I was looking at the label, I noticed that it says glow in the dark. So I guess on top of being holographic, it's also glow in the dark. So I wanted to test it out. So let's cut something with it. And I've been wanting to put my new logo on my Cricut. So I'm just going to cut out Silly Crafting real quick and charge it. And let's see how this goes. Here I'm on Cricut Design Space. And all I wanted to do was type out Silly Crafting and put it on my Cricut. So I'm going to head over to text and just enter the name. And the font I use for my logo is called Violent V. I got it from thefont.com and it's the one that I've been using for my logo now. And I do want to include a little heart here just to personalize a little bit more. When I write my personal name, I usually put a heart in the first I, so it's what I do on this one here too. I do want my letters to be a little bit thicker since I want the glow in the dark effect to really show. So here in the offset, I'm just going to add 0.05. So you can see the blue line, that's where it's going to be. And once you apply, that's what you get. And I'm just going to hide the little dots so my heart can show better. And here we are. And I also want to include, my scissors that I always have. So in the images, I'm just going to type in scissors. And go over to free. And here's some you can use, but I actually like the ones that are used here. So I'm just going to add to my canvas. Contour and hide everything except the scissors that I want. I'm going to group everything, including the heart, so it doesn't move anymore. And it moves together. And now my scissors. Are right here. And there's a lot of other things you can add. Like, for example, this is a roll vinyl as well as this one. And these are all free. All I did was just filter it out over here on the left side. I don't want the scissors to move anymore, so I'm going to go back, select everything, and attach. That way it cuts together in one piece, since I'm going to do everything in one color. When I measured out my Cricut, I decided to make this 2.5 inches in height, and it looks like it's coming out about 7 inches in length. And now I'm just going to go over and make it. Now that it's nice and weeded, we can put it on our Cricut, and I'm just going to use some transfer sheets. And here we have my Cricut. I have the Maker 1. And I've always wanted to just put my logos right here. It's just something simple. So now we have it. And after I let it charge, this is what it looks like. It is actually glowing. If you guys like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.